It usually starts with a phone call, and typically you know the person, so there's nothing better you can do than listen. We sit there for a couple of hours, listen to the problem, and go away and think about it, chat with our team as to how we come up with a solution. And we typically end up going to the project site, and then we go back to the client with a solution, dial it in, making sure that we are giving them what they need, and hopefully some more.
Our team's approach is to get everyone onto the project as early as possible, because we've all got different perspectives on what's happening, from simply just getting the install part of it done to the equipment that we're going to need.
Or typically any project have a spec and drawings, So we bid the job, we'll set with the engineers and discuss where the sensor is going to be and how we're going to implement that. And then we will get outside, start planning, installing the sensors.
We have to take all of the systems, put them together in a way that's easy to assemble, first of all, so it doesn't take an age to make something, make it serviceable in the field if need be, and then we also need to do it in a rapid amount of time. As far as production goes, we want to make sure that our products are at 100% function, no questions asked before they even leave the shop. So to do that, we have to test all of our systems before they leave.
A lot of different things that you have to be aware of when doing an install, and making sure that the data that you're receiving is actually quality data. Working with GEO Instruments, we have a lot of experience, different types of projects, big, small, anything in between. We have a good relationship with our clients, which I think is very important. They need to know that if they call on us and they need something monitored, that we'll be there next day or as soon as possible with the gear that we need to take care of their needs.
There's a bunch of challenges that we have to overcome in the planning and installation phase, and then more that come up as the project progresses. So it's about having that open communication, overcoming those challenges, and making sure that the system is performing the way we want it to from day one until the end of the project.
We collect all the data that gets stored on our servers. Then we process that data, make it into units that the engineer or the customer can visualize. And we set up a website for them. They can log in and view their data graphically, visually. We can set up alarms so that someone can log into a job site and see right away that something's an alarm, and be notified either by email, text, and making sure that they are aware of any type of movement as soon as it starts happening.
So when the project's complete, it typically isn't the end of the relationship. We're usually, we'll do a debrief with the client, potentially do some presentations within our industry associations, write some papers, present some case studies about the project, celebrate the success of the project. What's unique though in our industry is that we also share lessons learned.